In this video, we're reviewing and using the new-ish collection from Wetnwild and Hello Kitty. And I received this PR box. We're gonna go through all the items I got and use it up and create a fun Hello Kitty look. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. If you don't know me, I'm Elaina. Welcome. I usually do makeup reviews, tutorials, drag looks, celebrity impersonations. Just check it out later. I was on Painted with Raven Season 2, available on Wow Presents Plus right now. So follow me on social media if you like. All the links are in the description box. So let's get right into this. So thank you so much, Wetnwild, for sending me the PR box. On Wetnwild PR box list, what do you call it, a PR list, and I'm very thankful because I'm a very small micro influencer, and this hands some of us boxes once in a while, and this is one of those. I think the last one was Marilyn Monroe. Oh, it was amazing. So this is the next one they sent me, and this is the $85 PR box and has multiple face and eyes items and lips. So we're gonna go through all of this in a second, and I'm gonna show you. I don't have any affiliate links. I don't have any discount codes. I mean, it's Wetnwild. It's already affordable. So this is just makeup they send me. They don't pay me for the video, and I'm reviewing it, and I'm gonna tell you what I like, what I don't like, you know, all the tea on the all the shade. So if you love Hello Kitty, you're gonna love the box. I was jumping up and down when I saw this because I love Hello Kitty. It was like, oh my god, I can't even use it. I can't even use the sponge. I still have it in the box. I'm never gonna use this thing. So calm down, Elaina. So we're gonna go through everything. I'm gonna show you item by item, and we're gonna use this for this look. So that's about it. So I'm in my Hello Kitty bowl. I mean, it's my cat's bowl, but who cares? What counts is it looks like a Hello Kitty bowl. If you might know, what you don't know is a lot. My cats are beauty influencers. I mean, Instagram models. So they have, their closet is bigger than mine, okay? So that's one of their accessories I can wear. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the box. I already slightly opened it because if I didn't, it would be a lot of struggle. So there you go. This beauty I'll never throw away. You know, some of the PR boxes, they're beautiful, but it's kind of like recyclables, and you just recycle. But this is a keepsake. I love Hello Kitty. There's no way this is going anywhere. It's gonna go on the shelves behind me. I got two layers here. There's some stuff in the first layer, and there's some stuff in the second layer. So once I pour through all of this, I'm gonna open it up, show it to you. So I opened up everything. Yes, it was a struggle, but one thing I'm not gonna use today, or maybe ever, is the Hello Kitty sponge, because this is the most adorable thing ever. And it's like, how can you use this? How can I put foundation and destroy it? Look at this thing. Look. I mean, sometimes I criticize like collection like that, and I'm like, oh, it's childish, blah blah blah. Look at this thing. Somebody put so much thought into it. It has a bow. Actually, it's like 3D. And the whiskers and the eyes. I'm so like overjoyed with this. It says Wetnwild Sanrio in the back. There's no way I'm gonna use this. This is gonna sit on my display. No way I'm going to use the sponge. This is too pretty to use. Like, I'm gonna use the makeup, but the sponge is going back into this box. I love cats too. I know they say Hello Kitty is not a cat, it's a girl, but it's a cat. Come on now. I have 4 of them. I know the difference. Anyway, so the palette has no depths. The whole collection has no depths. I mean, it's a Hello Kitty collection. It's pink, and everything's light and pink. The deepest shade is shimmer. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a matte? Yeah, I guess it's matte. And the rest of it is shimmers. I think a couple of them are glitters, which, like, I love Wetnwild glitters. They're usually very good. Let's see, the Wetnwild. Oh, girl. Yep, the glitter is awesome. The formula for the glitters is always top notch. And the pink one here. Pink one's a little bit Yeah, they're soft. They're very soft glitters. I mean, I'm not gonna swatch all of them. I just wanted to show you. And this one is probably the prettiest one because it's icy white. Oh, it's stunning. And I'm probably gonna use shimmer and maybe a little bit of glitter. I can't do the full eye look with this because there is no full eye look. It's just like it is just because. It's because it's a Hello Kitty. But this makes no sense. Like, you can't really do eye look, just a wash of color. So I'm just gonna do that wash of color with a little glitter. And there is no black, so I was thinking maybe the mascara, but glitter mascara is pink. And I'm gonna show you. So I'm not disappointed, I'm just saying it's hard to make a look like with depth. See, this is a mascara, so it's pretty much glitter in a mascara wand. I think it's kind of like a liquid glitter eyeshadow thing, right? But it feels very moist. I wonder how it dries, so that should be interesting. And I'm probably gonna apply it over the eyelashes of the regular mascara a little bit. And we got the glitter lip oil, which is, I don't like lip oils, but it's glitter, so, and the applicator is huge. Look at this thing. It's like a huge foot. It's kind of grayish glitter, which I kind of dig in this. Might use this and have the regular lip stain. And the lip stain color is not all that, it's kind of brown. I don't know why. If it's Hello Kitty, everything's pink. Why is this one kind of brown? I'm not into it. I think I'm just gonna use the lip oil instead. And we have also liquid eyeshadow. There's a lot of choices here and a lot of shimmers in the palette already. So since the makeup is going to be like very minimal, I might use this instead of the glitter from a palette as a topper, just to test this. And yeah, and the powder, I mean, powders. Its powder is kind of pink powder like kimchi, the one I just reviewed. So I don't know who copied who. I'm just being shady. But yeah, there is no need to swatch anything else. But before we start, let me put some lip mask on. It has a little spatula. It's pink, of course. I'm not sure what it smells like. It has like a fruity smell, maybe cherry or something. I'm not completely entirely sure. So let's use the applicator. It's like a silicone applicator. Ah, it's very pleasant. So let's whip the pink one into the crease. And this is the deepest shade. I know I'm being a little shady, but I kind of wish they did put this as a matte. At least we have a little bit of depth. But again, this is like a different aesthetic. Like an anime kind of very, very subtle, soft. I don't think we're doing like a deep cut crease and then deep dark black outer corners. Yes, I'm using shimmer in the outer corner because there is no depth and this is the deepest shade and I'm gonna go for it. Why not? It's a fantasy look, it's Hello Kitty. And on the inner side, we're gonna put this, I think it's a duochrome. This color is real pretty, and then probably gonna put a little bit of glitter on top of that. There's a glitter eyeliner as well, and I was hoping that the glitter eyeliner is gonna be black at least, but no such luck. It's still pink. Oh, this is pretty. The multichrome shade, it's real pretty. Use that light pink shimmer under the brow. Just a touch of that liquid eyeshadow. Liquid eyeshadow in the color, what's the color? Cheers. It's pink, it's pretty. I'll just put a little bit and I'm gonna just blend it in with the same brush, just add a little sparkle. So I did some base makeup with Wetnwild foundation, the dewy one, and now I'm gonna go for the powder. I already set my under eyes because I like my under eyes a certain way, so I don't want to mess them up. So we're gonna go for that light pink powder. It's very similar to the kimchi pink powder. I'm just gonna use the large brush. A nice soft powder. I mean, powder is just powder. It doesn't make it pink. I think it's a little less pink than kimchi one. I mean, it's not like pink. The kimchi one wasn't pink either, but I think this one's a little lighter. So let's use the blush, and this is ombre. I thought it was gonna have no pigmentation. I already tried it on the side, and it does. Well, I kind of tapped for the darkest part of it, and it does give you a nice pink glow. I don't think it's glowy actually, I think it's pretty matte, but it's a nice shade. It's very pretty. One thing that Wetnwild knows how to do well is highlighter. The highlighter's always been the bomb, and this is a 3 highlighter in one. So there's the middle Hello Kitty, there is a light shade next to it, and there is a darker shade, the pink on the side. It kind of like covers some of the deeper skin tones, I imagine. I don't know how deep does it have to go. Definitely a nice highlighter. Wetnwild highlighters always been some of my favorites. So let's curl the eyelashes, and I'm gonna finish the eye look and come back for some lip oil, I guess. Like, again, not very me. The latest PR packages have been like very minimal. I guess that's the new normal, the clean girl aesthetic. But you know, we just go playing with the trends and with the times. And if you see the glare, the sun is out. I'm feeling pretty early, I guess, today, and I don't like this, but can't do nothing about it at the moment. I'm so sorry. I mean, the eye curl is real pretty too. It's kind of like the metal is pink, what do you call it, rose gold, I guess. It's pretty, I like it, and I'm gonna use it. Now, the only thing that I don't like, and it's not the first time, sorry Wetnwild, but not sorry, the mirrors, they're like funny mirrors. They're very crooked. You can literally, can you bend it? Yeah, you can bend it. It's like, I don't know what kind of plastic it's made of. I mean, it's just for the looks. But you can't really see anything in this mirror because it's all kind of crooked inside. But it's cute, but it's useless. Just saying. So the only thing it's left to use is the lip oil, and Gigi came to say hello. This is my new baby. If you haven't, oh yeah, you probably haven't seen this one yet. It's number 4. Her name is Gigi. And she's very feisty. This baby's 3 months old and very energetic. So anyway, I'll be right back. So I got a Hello Kitty look with my Hello Kitty necklace, and I did cheat and I used black eyeliner and some black eyeshadow, just blend out the outer corner because I wanted to give myself a cat eye because I'm a kitty. Meow. Anyway, I don't know what it was, but yeah. So what I haven't used yet is the lip stain and the lip gloss. So I didn't want to use this, but I'm gonna give it a try. If I don't like it, I'll wipe it off, but it's kind of not like it clashing with the look, but we'll see. I put a little lip liner, not Wetnwild, just some, yeah, it's a little bit brown. It's a little off. It smells kind of the same, like a fruity smell, like the mask, the lip mask. It's kind of neutral, but it's a little too brown, so I'll probably use something pink on top. And I don't know if this is gonna translate pink. We'll try. If I don't like it, I'll come back with a different look. I don't know. I just want this to look to work and not just be just because, you know, the Bigfoot. Yeah, probably not gonna look the way I want it. Well, it gives me a sparkle. So if you might have noticed, I put a little pink here. That eyeliner, I mean, I didn't want to line my eyes with that because I wanted definition, so I just put it under the black to just kind of give it a little sparkle. So there you have it. I'm a Hello Kitty girl. So there you have it, the final look. I'm a Hello Kitty girl. That's a good thumbnail. Ooh, it's trying to fall apart. It's a good thumbnail. But anyway, yeah, this is great for like storing stuff. I could put my cat clothes in it, like bows and bandanas. It would be a good place to put them. I'm totally gonna use it all for cat jewelry. They have so many necklaces, more than I do actually. So there you go. If you want to follow my cats, follow Hollywood Star Cats on Instagram. I'm gonna put the handle over here somewhere. So if you're interested, because they're like celebrities, I mean, on a small scale, but anyway, there you go. Let me know what you think. Like, are you interested? I mean, it's very, very specific. Like, if you're a real fan of Hello Kitty, well, like, I am a fan. I don't know if I would shell out $85 just because I want a PR box, you know, to be honest. I probably wouldn't. But if you're a die-hard fan, I could see people buying this. And it's very cute. Like, the box is actually usable. And the makeup is nice. What I like the most, the box. What I like the most actually is the sponge. Just for the display, like I could probably put it behind me, like on the shelves. The shelves are covered up now, you know. I can put it in there. I need to organize back there, so I need to put this up. And the mirror is cute, useless but cute. Again, useless because you can't see anything. Highlighter is real nice, but Wetnwild highlighter is always nice. The blush is cute. I mean, it's matte. It's like here or there, it's blush. It looks cute. But it's not like, oh, I must have it. You know, it's just a part of collection. The liquid eyeliner glitter, I mean, it works. It gives you glitter. I usually don't go for the light colors like this, like black. So for me, it's just like an accent, and that's it. And I forgot to use the mascara, but the mascara is just glitter, and I didn't want to put glitter on my eyelashes, and I just put fake eyelashes on. So I mean, it is what it is. I've used something like that before. I'm not a fan of glitter on my eyelashes, but liquid eyeshadow is real nice. I mean, it works. It's cute. It's pink. The lip treatment felt very moisturized, and that actually I'm gonna keep using because I really like this. And this is going to my keychain. Right meow. Right meow. My car keychain is gonna get this. Totally the bow. So yeah, I love everything pretty much. The eyeshadow was the least interesting because, I mean, we've seen this before. It's very neutral. It's very blah. It's just interesting because it has Hello Kitty on it. So let me know what you guys think. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and give this thumbs up. Just subscribe to my channel if you like, and ring notification bell. All my Instagram account and TikTok is in the description box. I'm not very active on TikTok and never got into it, and it irritates the hell out of me. But I'm on Instagram. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!